Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader at 7:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday night, October 24th, 2021. This isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell to be notified when these videos come out. Click the thumbs up and share the video. We're talking about Nucypher and Keep and potentially the new related threshold when that actually rolls out. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video. In the meantime, if you want to hear my intraday thoughts, I'm on Twitter. Now, let's take a look at Nucypher. I drew this line further out. We definitely have a line of support here. It's starting to appear. Still a little bit concerned to get in right now. I don't know if this is consolidation before another drop down or not. So I am out of it still until I see a little more predictability. Again, we've only been at this now for barely 2 weeks, and I think, watching this for a little bit more for me is the way to go. Not everyone's the same. I get it. But anyway, so this is kind of where we're at. We're at $1.09, hitting that line of support that we talked about the last video a couple of days ago, which was exactly at this level, at 108. So I think right now we're looking at, a touch point, touch point, touch point. I think it's going to be sideways. If you go back here, further back, we've seen like $1-ish, $1.08 in that roundabout range, from $1 to $1.08 as an area of potential support. So this is kind of, I think we might be still in a sideways chop, and potentially we might start going back up. But if I was a betting man, I'd say it would be going back up. But again, I'm a longer-term trader, so I'm going to wait to see the bigger pattern in this, in the nosebleed section of this overall price action for Nucypher. In the meantime, Nucypher, Bitcoin, same kind of thing. We're going sideways on this line, and I have to excuse my my screen here, but yeah, we're still showing some support at around the 1782, and it feels like yesterday we were at the 500 range on this thing. Go figure. Anyway, so good over here. It looks like we have a reasonable line of support. We'll probably go sideways to slightly up over the next couple of days. In the meantime, Keep looking like we've got. I think we're starting to hit an area where we've already passed, we've passed down this support area here and starting to go down. So it looks like to me that we're probably going to start to trek down on the Key pair, probably even more so than Nucypher. If I had to put my money on it, I'd probably put it on Nucypher right now between the two. But that's just the way it looks to me right this moment. In the meantime, Keep BTC has actually rallied a little bit, but now it's rallying, but it's over this line, which is going down. So I think, we can chuck that. Now, as you can see, resistance up here is now support, but it's supporting it the wrong way. Downward facing support line. So that's kind of where Keep Bitcoin is at. Now let's go take a look over the Bitcoin pair. Still, looking like a reasonable line of support around 60,000. Looks like it wants to stay above 60. So we're gonna continue to track this, but it looks like 60,000 on or about is where this thing will rest. I don't think that we're gonna go below 60 in the near term. Now, Bitcoin dominance, we see similar thing here. We cracked down a little bit, and this looks like the low. I think we're gonna start retracing soon and get back in this upward channel to be part of the bigger, wider W for wider channel, where I think we're going to potentially either have resistance here at 49.50, and if we bust that, then 60 is a sure shot away. Anyway, I'm out. Hope everyone's having a good Sunday night. Take care.